Have you ever wondered why some lemon trees are loaded with juicy lemons while others barely produce any fruit? The truth is, most gardeners make a few simple mistakes without even realizing it. But today I'm going to show you several powerful hacks that can dramatically increase lemon production on your tree. These are easy, practical techniques that anyone can follow, even if you're a beginner. And the best part, most of these tricks cost almost nothing, but can completely transform the health and productivity of your lemon tree. Make sure you watch until the end, because one simple natural trick using kitchen waste can help your lemon tree produce bigger, healthier, and far more lemons than ever before. Let's start with the most important secret behind massive lemon production. The number one secret behind heavy lemon production is full direct sunlight. Lemon trees are sun-loving plants, and without enough sunlight, they simply cannot produce a large number of flowers. And without flowers, there will be very little fruit. A healthy lemon tree needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every single day. This does not mean filtered light or bright shade. The leaves must receive real open sunlight for several hours daily. Sunlight is essential because it powers photosynthesis, the process that helps the plant create energy. When your lemon tree gets enough sun, it develops stronger branches, healthier leaves, and most importantly, more flowering points. More flowers usually mean more lemons. But when sunlight is insufficient, the plant becomes weak and unproductive. You may notice pale leaves, thin branches, slow growth, and one major problem: flower drop. The tree may produce flowers, but they often fall off before turning into fruit because the plant lacks the energy needed to support fruit development. For best results, place your lemon tree in the sunniest location possible. If it is growing in a pot, rotate it every few days, so all sides receive equal sunlight. Also, make sure nearby walls, buildings, or larger trees are not blocking the light for long periods during the day. Proper pruning is one of the most powerful techniques for increasing lemon production, yet many gardeners completely ignore it. Some people are afraid to cut branches, but the truth is that correct pruning actually helps the tree produce more flowers and healthier fruit. The key is knowing which branches to remove. First, focus on crowded inner branches that grow toward the center of the tree. These branches block sunlight and reduce airflow inside the plant. Poor airflow creates the perfect environment for pests, fungal diseases, and weak flowering. By removing these dense inner branches, you allow sunlight and fresh air to move freely throughout the tree. This keeps the plant healthier and encourages stronger flower development. Next, keep the branches that grow outward and upward. These branches receive the most sunlight and usually produce the healthiest new growth. Lemon flowers often appear on fresh shoots, so encouraging new outward growth directly increases future fruit production. The best time to prune a lemon tree is between February and March, just before the active growing season begins. Always use clean, sharp pruning tools and never remove more than 25 to 30% of the tree at one time. Proper pruning helps the tree focus its energy on producing flowers, fruit, and healthy new growth. One of the most frustrating problems lemon growers face is flower drop. The tree may look healthy and produce many flowers, but after a few days, most of those flowers fall off without turning into fruit. Fortunately, there is a simple solution that can dramatically improve fruit set. The main reason behind excessive flower drop is often a micronutrient deficiency, especially a lack of boron. Boron plays a critical role in flower development, pollen formation, and successful pollination. When the tree does not receive enough boron, the flowers become weak and fall before fruit formation begins. To fix this issue, prepare a simple spray solution. Mix half a teaspoon of boric acid into 1 liter of clean water. If boric acid is not available, you can also use a liquid micronutrient fertilizer that contains boron, zinc, and iron. Spray this solution gently on the flowers, buds, and young leaves of the lemon tree. Always spray early in the morning or late in the evening to prevent leaf burn from strong sunlight. Repeat this treatment once every 15 days during the flowering season. This spray strengthens the flowers, improves pollination, and increases the number of flowers that successfully develop into lemons. Within a few weeks, you will notice fewer fallen flowers and many more small lemons forming on the branches. This is one of the most powerful and underrated tricks for increasing both the size and quantity of lemons. And the best part is that it is completely natural and almost free. Potassium is one of the most important nutrients for fruit development. It helps lemons grow larger, juicier, heavier, and healthier. When a lemon tree lacks potassium, the fruits often remain small, thin-skinned, and may fall off before fully developing. One of the best natural sources of potassium is banana peel. Banana peels are rich in natural potash and slowly release nutrients into the soil, making them easy for the roots to absorb. To prepare this simple booster, take 2 or 3 banana peels and cut them into small pieces. Place them into a bucket or bottle filled with water and let the mixture soak for 24 hours. During this time, the potassium and minerals from the peels slowly dissolve into the water. After 1 day, use this banana peel water to irrigate the soil around your lemon tree. Avoid pouring it directly on the leaves. Apply this solution once every 10 to 15 days during flowering and fruit development. Within a few weeks, you will notice bigger lemons, stronger fruit retention, and healthier overall growth. This simple kitchen waste trick can dramatically improve lemon production naturally. Water quality plays a much bigger role in lemon production than most gardeners realize. Even if your lemon tree receives enough sunlight and fertilizer, poor quality water can still reduce flowering and fruit production. Lemon trees are very sensitive to salt buildup. Bore water or underground water often contains high levels of salts and minerals. Over time, these salts accumulate in the soil and make it difficult for the roots to absorb important nutrients like potassium, calcium, and magnesium. One of the first signs of salt stress is leaf burn along the edges. You may also notice yellow leaves, slow growth, weak flowering, and small fruits that drop before maturity. To avoid this problem, always try to use salt-free water whenever possible. Rainwater is the best option because it is naturally soft and free from harmful salts. Stored tank water or municipal water is also much safer than salty bore water. Another helpful trick is adding compost or vermicompost to the soil. Organic matter improves soil structure and helps reduce the harmful effects of salt buildup around the roots. Clean water keeps the roots healthy, improves nutrient absorption, and helps your lemon tree produce more flowers and higher quality fruit throughout the growing season. This is a smart and traditional technique that experienced growers use to trigger heavy flowering in lemon trees. It is called the water stress trick, and when done correctly, it can dramatically increase the number of flowers and future lemons. Normally, a lemon tree that receives constant watering becomes comfortable and focuses mainly on growing leaves and branches. But by slightly reducing water for about 10 to 12 days before the flowering season, you create controlled stress inside the plant. This mild stress signals the tree to begin its survival process, encouraging it to produce more flower buds instead of extra leaves. During this period, do not completely stop watering. Simply reduce the amount of water so the soil becomes slightly dry, but never extremely dry or cracked. After 10 to 12 days, give the tree one deep and thorough watering. This sudden increase in moisture stimulates the roots and triggers a strong flowering response. Many growers notice a large flush of flowers appearing shortly afterward. However, this technique should only be used on healthy, mature lemon trees. Young or recently transplanted trees should not be stressed this way. When used carefully, this simple trick can lead to heavier flowering, better fruit set, and significantly higher lemon production. Fruit drop is a very common problem in lemon trees, especially when the fruits are still small and developing. One hidden reason behind this issue is calcium deficiency. Calcium is extremely important for strong cell walls, healthy roots, and firm fruit skin. Without enough calcium, young lemons become weak and often fall off before reaching full size. A simple and natural way to provide calcium is by using eggshells. Eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate and act as a slow-release calcium source for the soil. To prepare this calcium booster, collect a few eggshells and wash them thoroughly. Let them dry completely under sunlight. Once dry, crush or grind them into a very fine powder. The finer the powder, the faster the nutrients become available to the roots. Mix this eggshell powder into the top layer of soil around the base of your lemon tree, keeping a small distance from the trunk. Then, lightly water the soil to help the calcium start breaking down naturally. This trick strengthens developing fruits and helps them remain attached to the tree for longer periods. It also improves the thickness and strength of the lemon skin, reducing cracking and damage during growth. Used regularly, this natural calcium hack can lead to healthier lemons and a more reliable harvest. This is one of the best long-term secrets for maintaining continuous lemon production throughout the year. Even if your lemon tree flowers well, it will not keep producing heavily unless the soil remains rich, healthy, and balanced. Once every month, prepare a simple organic power mix using well-rotted cow manure, a small amount of vermicompost, and neem cake powder. Well-rotted cow manure improves soil structure and provides slow-release nutrients that feed the tree over time. It also helps the soil hold moisture longer and supports strong root development. Vermicompost is packed with beneficial microbes, enzymes, and nutrients that improve nutrient absorption and stimulate healthy new growth. This is important because lemon trees produce flowers and fruit mainly on fresh, active shoots. Neem cake powder provides additional nutrients while also protecting the roots from harmful soil pests and diseases. It naturally helps reduce pest pressure, allowing the tree to focus more energy on flowering and fruit production. Mix these ingredients together and apply them around the root zone, keeping some distance away from the main trunk. Lightly mix them into the topsoil and water gently afterward. This monthly feeding routine keeps the soil alive and fertile, helping your lemon tree produce flowers and lemons continuously instead of only during short seasonal bursts. If you apply these simple lemon growing hacks correctly, you will notice a huge improvement in the health and productivity of your lemon tree. From proper sunlight and pruning to natural potassium and calcium boosters, each method works together to increase flowering, improve fruit retention, and produce larger, healthier lemons. The best part is that most of these techniques are natural, affordable, and easy for anyone to use at home. Try these tricks on your own lemon tree and observe the results over the next few weeks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other gardening lovers. Let me know in the comments which hack worked best for you.